Hey up Woodlanders, it's June the 8th and today kick-starts the great big Green Week, which is a week all about raising awareness for wildlife and nature and doing our best to give it a helping hand. This year's theme for the great big Green Week is all about swaps. So swapping time, swapping skills, swapping knowledge. I'm sure you get the idea. So to start the week, we're at the National Trust Calke Abbey and we're demonstrating charcoal with the Heartwood Woodland community group. Heartwood have brought along their charcoal retort and together we're firing that up and talking all things charcoal to anyone that wants to listen. Anything from biochar, how it's made, why it's made, and also barbecue charcoal, which we actively make and sell in the National Forest area. If you'll allow me, I'll share one interesting fact. Did you know that we make biochar from forest arisings that generally are considered to be a waste product? So all of those small branchy bits that nobody seems to want and doesn't ever get used, ordinarily those rot away into the ground and eventually decompose and release their carbon into the atmosphere. Whereas when we convert that into biochar, what we're actually doing is locking up that carbon, and that then gets sequestered or stored in the ground. So biochar not only helps prevent carbon release into the atmosphere from those branchy little bits of twigs, but it also has multiple benefits for the ground in which it's sequestered. It can hold and retain moisture and nutrients right into the tiny cells of the carbon structure, and then plants can draw on those nutrients when they need it. If you've got any other information about biochar, by all means share it in the comments as part of our swap and share on the Great Big Green Week. So if you're able to, try and support the Great Big Green Week this June, and I'll see you on the next one. Didn't want that to get tangled. Oh dear me.